Drypoint is a printmaking process in which an image is incised by hand onto a printing plate. Once the image is made, it is inked and printed with a press. The Drypoint line creates a burr which catches the ink. I'm using an Akua Printmaking plastic plate. It's very soft and easy to incise and press into. This is a line roulette Drypoint tool. It leaves an impression of a series of short lines. Rich darks are created by overlapping and cross-hatching. This roulette has a random dot pattern which creates tonal values and textural effects. Needle-tip Drypoint tools offer fine lines on top of the roulette marks or on top of the smooth surface of the plate. The image is finished and ready to be inked up for printing. I'm going to use Akua Intaglio soy-based ink right from the jar. Akua Intaglio ink is perfect for printing a Drypoint plate. The ink is applied gently with a piece of mat board. Once the plate is completely covered with a thin layer of ink, Akua wiping fabric is used to wipe away excess ink. An inky piece of wiping fabric rolled into a ball is used first. Akua wiping fabric is recommended because it is softer than tarlatan, yet more absorbent than cheesecloth. Akua Intaglio ink will not skin or harden on the wiping fabric. To remove more plate tone and create a higher contrast print, I will continue to wipe the plate with a clean piece of wiping fabric. Once the desired amount of ink is removed, the plate is run through an etching press along with a piece of dampened paper. When printing with Akua Intaglio ink, it is very important that the paper is just slightly damp. If the paper is too wet, the print will dry hazy. An hour ago, I sprayed the paper, then placed it in a plastic bag. Blotting before printing will ensure that the paper is not too wet. For easy registration, I prepared a template and placed it on the press bed. As the plate goes through the press, the ink is being transferred from the plate to the paper. The high pigment load in Akua Intaglio Mars Black highlights the velvety appearance of the Drypoint line. The warm brownish black yields an intense matte black with subtle plate tone. The plate used to create this print could produce a small edition of 20 prints.